the most appreciated day of this year is the day for the appreciation for class 10th. We know our motive is to appreciate our 10th class student, those who give their efforts to make the highest marking in this from this school, and they have done it. And we know that they were just preparing themselves, going through a lot of distractions, going through a lot of you can say the point of scenario where they used to think, can we do the best, can we justify whatever we have been given, can we justify the efforts that are made by the our respected teachers, can we justify their mindset, what they have for us. These kind of things were going into the inquisitive mind of our class 10th student, even though they fight with the each and every obstacles what they were going through, right? Yes, we can see, because when you prepare yourself for the class 10th kind of examination, you go through a lot of distractions that you think, might I score or not, might I do something or not. But you need to understand, making highest score is essential, that's a good thing, but not as essential if you got somehow the least number of the percentage or any kind of distractions. Then you can start again. Life is always about restart. What you do, it's a restart. Whenever you start, it's a restart. That's the thing that you need to understand. Do not feel that you cannot do anything or crack anything again. If few of you, if they could have not done in a proper manner and they were not given the proper percentage that they were required, no matter what, then there is nothing like this. You need to go again and start again. That's the thing. So I want everyone to give a big round of applause for class 10th student. Here we are.